Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to attracting women and making her chase you? In today's video, we're diving into the powerful principles of Stoicism and how mastering them can completely shift your relationships. We'll cover 11 proven strategies to ignore women, the right way, focusing on self-confidence, emotional discipline, and self-worth. These are not about playing games, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and naturally drawing others toward you. So whether you're looking to level up your dating game or gain a deeper understanding of how to stay grounded and unbothered, stick around because this one's packed with actionable tips. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. We'll dive into the 11 secrets that will shift the dynamic, making her just you instead. Ready to discover how subtle shifts in your behavior can completely change the game? Let's explore arts of attraction through the lens of Stoic wisdom, where patience, restraint, and self-assurance become your most powerful tools. Number one, secret weapon. One secret weapon. Have you ever wondered why some men are treated poorly by women while those same women desperately pursue other men? What causes a paradox? Or are women attracted autonomy or social status? You are completely wrong. The real secret lies elsewhere. These men don't flaunt their wealth or chase attention, yet women are naturally attracted to them. What is their secret? The answer may surprise you. It's the power of ignoring women. But noting the way you might think that psychology behind this stems from the principle of Stoic, harsh and possibly tragic. Truth is that most men crave female attention and often come across as needy. High-value men, on the other hand, are the opposite. These men understand the power of the scarcity principle, how ignoring women can drive needy women crazy, and you know when it works. But here's the thing, ignoring doesn't mean being cold or distant. It's about maintaining your own life interests and confidence without constantly seeking validation. It's about showing that your self-worth doesn't depend on her attention. Women find this irresistible base. It suggests a man who knows his worth and isn't afraid to live by it. If you ignore a woman, you will attract her. You'll be amazed at how quickly this works. Women crave attention, and once you stop giving it to them, you'll outshine most other men. However, you need to know how to do it correctly. It's a skill, and understanding the secret psychology of ignoring a woman is key. Number two, attraction decoy. Attraction decoy. Have you ever wondered why some men easily attract women while others struggle despite their good looks or wealth? It's not just about appearance or money. The real secret lies in how a man values his attention. A woman wakes up and checks her phone flooded with notifications from men seeking her attention. This constant stream of validation inflates her ego before she even gets out of bed. How boring and ridiculous. A man with high values isn't quick to show his interest. He expresses himself confidently without seeking validation, creating a brief connection, but then pulls back, leaving her wondering why he didn't pursue her like the others. This behavior comes from a deep understanding of human psychology. When a man doesn't chase, he stands out from the crowd. The woman starts to question her own worth in his eyes. Why doesn't she have his attention? What makes him different? These questions create a strong desire, making her crave his validation even more. They don't need to inflate a woman's ego with likes or comments. Instead, they challenge her to earn their attention. Number three, lonely but attractive. Independence and self-reliance are the cornerstones of a high-value life. High-value men don't fear being alone. They embrace it. Solitude becomes a powerful tool for introspection and personal growth. They understand that their worth is not defined by their relationship status, and they don't seek validation from anyone else. Instead, they cultivate a sense of completeness and confidence within themselves, which naturally draws others to them. This doesn't mean that high-value men don't appreciate companionship. You do, but there's a key difference. They don't need a relationship to feel whole. They seek partners who add value to their lives, not those who define if they are discerning, choosing relationships that align with their standards and values. Number four, attract active energy machines. A high-value man is not easily swayed by distractions. His focus is number 4, attractive energies, unwavering, centered on achieving his goals and fulfilling his ambitions. He's so engrossed in his purpose that trivial pursuits like flirting or chasing after superficial relations simply don't matter. His life is driven by a clear sense of direction, and every decision he makes is aligned with his mission. Such a man doesn't sit back and wait for opportunities to come his way. Instead, he takes control, creating his own path to success. Through relentless effort and determination, this dedication to his purpose doesn't just lead to external achievements. It also builds inner strength and resilience by fully committing to his goals. He cultivates discipline and self-confidence traits that naturally draw others to him. Interestingly, this steadfast focus on his ambitions has an unexpected side effect. It makes him irresistibly attractive. He doesn't need to chase after women because the energy he radiates draws them, and his confidence, drive, and sense of purpose make him stand out, and this is what compels women to pursue him. This is how you create a meaningful life that not only fulfills you, but also makes others notice. Number 5, the power of absence. 5, the power of absence. Women often connect the feeling of longing with love. It's a powerful emotional response that can intensify their feelings. When you're constantly available, you deprive her of the chanchero. Miss you, to wonder about you, to feel that deep sense of yearning. This longing in many cases can be more potent than love itself. A high-value man understands this dynamic. He knows that by being less available, he creates an aura of mystery and intrigue. This doesn't mean playing games or being manipulative. It's about maintaining your own life priorities and independence by not always being there. Allow her to miss your presence and appreciate your time. Together, even more scarcity increases value. If something is always within reach, it becomes ordinary, even taken for granted. But when it's rare, its worth grows. The same principle applies to relationships. By giving her the space to miss you, you enhance the emotional connection she feels. So don't be afraid to step back occasionally and focus on your own goals and interests. This isn't about being distant, but about striking a balance that keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. Her experience that longing, and you'll find that it deepens her attachment to you in ways that constant attention never could. This approach not only strengthens your bond, but also reinforces your own sense of self-worth and independence. Number 6, unintentionally but create attraction. Unintentionally but create attraction. In relationships, being overly nice can often backfire. Women may say they appreciate nice guys, but the reality is often different. When you're too kind to a woman who doesn't truly value you, when you shower her with gifts or excessive attention, she may begin to take you for granted. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that being extra nice will win her affection, but what it often does is signal that you're willing to accept less than you deserve. This is where Amon's dignity and self-respect must come into play. If you've been taken for granted, despite your kindness, it's to pull back and distance yourself. Figuring a woman isn't about playing games, it's about resetting the dynamic and establishing boundaries. It shows that you're not going to tolerate disrespect or be someone's doormat. A high-value man understands that self-respect is non-negotiable. By distancing yourself from someone who doesn't appreciate you, send a powerful message. You're a man of worth who won't stick around for anything less than mutual respect. This isn't about being cruel or manipulative. It's about standing up for yourself and refusing to accept less than you deserve. Number 7. Echo time attracts. Number 7. Echo time attracts. A high-value man understands the importance of time and sees it as a precious resource. Doesn't give up everything to fit into someone else's schedule, especially when it comes to women. This doesn't mean he's being condescending or inconsiderate. Instead, it signals that he has his own priorities and goals. That man has attention. By being busy with his own life, he sends a clear messages. Time is valuable, and anyone who owns a piece of it is worth it. When you choose your time, you naturally attract people who value and respect women are attracted to men who are purposeful, driven, and not always available. This creates a sense of mystery and challenge, which is much more appealing than having to constantly submit. To someone, this doesn't just apply to romantic relationships, is a principle that can improve every aspect of your life. Number 8 to draw into the mystery. 8 to draw into the mystery, mastering the art of unpredictability is essential for maintaining intrigue in a relationship. High value men understand that being too predictable can lead to complacency and boredom by varying your responses and actions. You keep the dynamic fresh and engaging. Sometimes you might respond quickly, showing interest and attentiveness. Other times, you let her wait, giving her the space to think and wonder about your intentions. This balance of attention and distance creates a sense of mystery that keeps you invested. Being unpredictable isn't about playing games. It's about demonstrating you have a life filled with your own passions, responsibility, and priorities. This approach aligns with Stoic principles where self-control and focus on personal growth are paramount. You're not at anyone's beck and call. Because your time is valuable, this unpredictability builds respect and keeps her on her toes, making her more appreciative of the time and attention you do offer. So gentlemen, don't always be an open book. Keep some chapters of your life private and let her earn that privilege of knowing you better. Number 9, attractive building. Circle society. 9, attractive building. Circle society. Your social circle is more powerful than you might think when you spend time with friends and cultivate a strong social network. You're not just having fun, you're building a foundation of respect, confidence, and influence. Women are naturally drawn to men who are well liked and respected by others. It's a signal that you're a person of value, some your own worth. Knowing in line with Stoic philosophy, consider your social interactions as opportunities to practice virtue. We are the sum of the people we spend the most time with. Sakus, your circle wisely engage with those who bring out your best qualities and help you stay grounded in your values. Moreover, a strong social network prevents you from becoming overly dependent on any one person for your happiness by nurturing diverse relationships. You build a life that's rich and balanced, reducing the risk of neediness or desperation in romantic pursuits. This independence is highly attractive because it shows that you have a life of your own, a life that a potential partner would want to be a part of. Number 10, superpower in today's world. Ability to maintain emotional control isn't just a sign of strength, it's a superpower. When you avoid getting very emotional or reactive in her presence, you communicate stability, reliability, and confidence. These are qualities that are universally respected and deeply attractive. A man who remains composed, even in challenging situations, stands out. Why? Because he shows that is not easily shaken, that he can handle whatever life throws at him. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions or being cold. Instead, it's about responding thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. It's about buying the calm in the storm, the anchor that others can depend on in a relationship. This immense steadiness is invaluable. It shows that you're a partner who can be trusted to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and patience. Women, like anyone, are drawn to this kind of strength because it creates a safe and secure environment. It's the kind of strength that reassures her that you won't crumble under pressure or be swayed by every fleeting emotion. By maintaining emotional control, you also ensure that you're making decisions from a place of clarity, not confusion. This clarity allows you to act in ways that are consistent with your values and long-term goals rather than being driven by temporary feelings. It's a practice of discipline and integrity that enhances every aspect of your life. Number 11. The mystery is captivating. 11. The mystery is captivating. In a world where oversharing has become the norm, there's something profoundly powerful about maintaining a sense of mystery, then it revealing everything about yourself. Soon you keep her intrigued and engaged, drawing her in with the promise of more to discover. This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding the value of pacing in a relationship. This is a purposeful act of ignoring her, but she doesn't know it when you hold back certain details of your life. You allow her imagination to take over. She'll start to wonder about your experiences, your thoughts, and what makes you tick. This curiosity creates a deeper connection as she becomes more invested in getting to know the real you bit. By bit, Stoic philosophy teaches us the virtue of temperance, knowing when to speak and when to listen, when to reveal, and when to withhold, that at laying all your cards on the table you demonstrate self-control and wisdom. You show that you're confident enough in yourself that you don't need to rush to prove anything. In practical terms, this means sharing your stories and experiences in layers. Let her peel back those layers over time, allowing her to feel like she's uncovering something special. This approach not only keeps their relationship fresh and exciting, but also builds a strong foundation based on mutual respect and curiosity. In conclusion mastering the art of ignoring women isn't about playing games. It's about understanding your own value and not seeking validation from others. High value men know that by focusing on their goals and living life on their terms, they naturally become more attractive. By ignoring women, you create a sense of mystery and scarcity that makes you stand out from the crowd. This approach can make her chase you as a challenge usher to see why you're not like the rest. Remember, ignoring a woman doesn't mean being cold. It's about maintaining your independence and confidence. When you make yourself the priority, you send a powerful message that you don't need external validation. This is the essence of making her chase you, showing her that your self-worth is not dependent on her attention. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the Stoic Goddess. Share your thoughts in the comments and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more content designed to elevate higher life. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.